Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, TechG is all about latest tech and gadgets. With today's video, we are looking at Comet 3 smartwatch from LOKMAT. With this one, you can store music and connect a Bluetooth headphone as well as make a phone call straight from the watch. If you are fancy getting one, please check the link in the description below, and without wasting any time, let's get started. When it comes to the packaging, watch came inside this cardboard retail box that has picture of the product on the front and key features printed on the back. Let's have a look what you get inside. In terms of unboxing, you will get this printed user guide and the smartwatch. In a separate small box, you can see the magnetic USB charging cable, and last, this watch strap. When it comes to the design and build quality, this watch at around 47mm and its weight about 61 grams. Thickness is about 12.1mm and watch case made of from alloy. The thickness of the dial is not too big or not too small. Also, it has two push buttons on the right side that will allow you to navigate through the options. They are comfortable to press and you can feel the clicky feedback. Top button acts as a go back to the main menu, and the bottom one will bring you all the system apps. You can easily scroll up and down to access those preloaded apps thanks to the decent sized touch display. Back of the watch, you can find the optical heart rate sensor and a magnetic charging connector. Furthermore, on the left side, you can see the microphone and speaker grill on the bottom part of the watch. It has 22mm removable silicone watch strap, which is flexible and comfortable to use. Also, it is perfect to use for sports and activities. Strap length is 130 to 200mm, so it will perfectly fit in any wrist size without any issues. On the front, it's got 1.28 inches TFT LCD display with 240 by 240 pixels resolutions. Furthermore, apart from two push buttons on the right, you can use a touchscreen to navigate the options. Touch response is fairly decent and smooth. You can easily read the screen in any lighting condition even when you are in outdoors. It has 12 different brightness levels and up to 30 seconds screen lock option to choose from. Furthermore, it has the screen on hand raising feature. Overall, it looks really decent and perfect to use in any occasions. It feels better and very comfortable to wear. In terms of the battery life, it's got 230mAh polymer battery inbuilt, which gives you decent 6 to 7 days of usage, and again it's depend on what features you are using. Battery life will be limited and battery will be able to last for a few hours if you use wireless headphones to play music. This watch comes with 120MB internal storage that can be used for save few MP3 tracks. You can simply plug the charging cable with your computer for data transfer. Let's quickly check the internal speaker sound quality. Furthermore, you can connect Bluetooth headphones straight into the smartwatch and listen to your saved MP3 tracks. In terms of IP rating, this watch is rated as IP67. However, I would not recommend to submerge or expose to water as it has those microphone and speaker grills which may occur hardware fault. When it comes to the setting up, you can select the preferred language from the list and simply follow the on-screen instructions. This watch connects via Bluetooth and Bluetooth effective distance is about 10 meters. Then all you need to do is simply scan the QR code to download the H-Band Smartapp. This app is available in both Android and iOS app stores. Setting up the app is no brainer, and you can create your own profile at the beginning, and even you can select your own skin color that will help to improve the optical sensor to get a more accurate reading. Then you can fill up your personal profile by completing the on-screen instruction and even can set up your personal goals. While using the app, you can customize or enable the functions of the smartwatch. My favorite feature is push notifications. You can get phone calls, messages, notifications straight into this smartwatch. You can choose which app that you want to send the notification through the app as well as through the smartwatch. Best thing with the smartwatch is you can answer to the phone calls through the smartwatch thanks to both inbuilt speaker and the microphone. Furthermore, you can save your favorite contact number on the watch memory and can dial straight from the watch without even taking out your mobile phone. Also, you can actually make a phone calls from the watch using the dial pad. So this is a fully functional remote access phone / smartwatch that's very convenient to have. You can get the notifications that are pushed through from your phone to the watch. Also, you get short preview of your messages including most famous third-party apps. Interface of the watch is very straightforward. Swipe from top to bottom shows you the quick access menu with the quick access toggle to things like device broadcasting, do not disturb and alarm clock. Swipe from bottom to top shows you the music player. When swiping from the left to right or right to left, you can quick access the most common apps like BP and HR monitor, sleep tracker and step counter. Having said that, in terms of the heart rate and blood pressure monitor, it shows you the highest and lowest reading. All those data will be saved within the Smartapp and you can refer back or track and analyze them later. Speaking about sleep tracking, it's worked really well and data is pretty decent. It shows my deep and light sleep duration, so you can get an idea to improve your sleep quality. In terms of the sport activity option, you can choose between outdoor run, indoor walking and run, hiking, cycling and rowing. When it's tracking your activity, you can see the calories, heart rate and time duration in one page. Also, all those activity data can be synced with Health app. Furthermore, it can automatically detect your heart rate when you do sports and activities. Using the GPS movement, it can track and display the activity data within the app, including the speed, pace and total calorie count. This watch comes with 4 different preloaded watch faces. You can simply long press to change it, or you can download different styles through the Smartapp. There are so many different watch faces available, from simple design to more detailed one. Here are few that came. However, it takes little longer than usual to transfer a watch face from your smartphone to smartwatch. Furthermore, you can have your own personalized watch face. You can assign your preferred background picture from your picture gallery. Then you can custom the text color and interface functions such as position of the text and style. Another useful feature that you can have with this smartwatch is this remote camera shutter. Basically, you can shake the watch to capture a photograph. Finally, it has Find My Phone option that will allow you to find your mobile phone by sending a vibration alert. And also it has a stopwatch, a countdown timer and an alarm clock. Furthermore, it will remind you to stand up and move if you sat down for longer period. So with that all being said, I think this watch is great to have and it is still in the budget range. Those who like to listen to the music while do activities connecting with the TWS headphones, this is a perfect watch to have. Few minor improvement I need to mention, as when receiving phone calls and connect with the headphones, it has a 1 to 2 second delay. Apart from that, I was really enjoying having this smartwatch as my daily drive. And last, I would like to know in the comments, what do you think about this smartwatch? Once again, thank you for watching, and if you like the content, please hit the like and please consider subscribe for more videos like this. Well, see you again with another video and stay safe.